Welcome back to Jessica Craftings. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to convert your rod arm turner into one that takes a PVC pipe. Stay tuned. First, I am showing you how I measured my PVC pipe. I use a little pink mark to show where I wanted to cut it. I cut it to the length of the rod. Here I'm just making sure that I don't have it sitting flush against the support because we don't want any digging or scratching or anything that will interfere with that section. This is about where I like for my cups to sit, but as you notice, it's a little loose. Well, the foam that came with the turner is a great help for that. You're going to cut about 2 inches. You can go longer if you want. You can cut for the whole length of the rod, but you don't have to. Before you put the foam on, you're going to want to clean that rod. So you take the adhesive, use the adhesive side down and wrap your foam around the rod. This will give it support, and it just so happens that this foam is the perfect thickness to fit the PVC pipe absolutely superbly. You don't have to cut it the same way I did. I cut it vertically, but then I applied it horizontally. And so when I did that, it gave me a little excess, and I had to make sure I cut that part off. So here I am about to try it on for size. Yeah, we want to make sure you don't get it too close to the support. We don't want any interference whatsoever. And really squeeze that puppy on there, get it down, and cut off that extra layer if you have any, because we want your PVC pipe to be perfectly centered. And having an overlap in the foam will cause it to lift up towards one side, and we don't want that. Having a centered arm is like the most important part of a turner. Here I am trying it on, and then I realized, wait a minute, I don't have any support in the front. So next we're going to take care of that issue. We're repeating the same steps that we took with the foam the first time and applying it to the rod, the beginning of the rod. And you can use whatever size you want. There's no rhyme or reason to this. I'm just holding it down, trying to squeeze it on there real firm. Now let's see how it fits. I know you can see the struggle in me trying to get this thing on there. I mean, once it's on, it's not going anywhere. And we did it! It is secure. The whole thing is moving. The whole rod is going when I move that PVC pipe. It is super secure. Let's see how it moves. Looks good, looks good. Now we're going to check it out with a wine glass. Now let's see what a cup looks like on it. This length works amazingly with small cups. I do prefer my cups to be much closer to the support. I feel like the length is excessive and it puts a lot of stress on the bar, and it makes the support even more necessary, which kind of throws things off a little. So we're gonna have to fix that. So from here, this is what I was talking about, where that PVC is not going anywhere. It's on there. That foam is on point. That is like the perfect stuff to convert a turner, because it was really on there. You can actually also use this foam. If you have this kind of turner, you can cut it a lot shorter, and then use that rod to attach a foam PVC pipe, but use a connector, and then you can make it an interchangeable arm turner very easily. Same steps, just you'll just be adding a different piece. Now for the rest of the video, I have captions with my steps, but everything in this half is pretty much just repeated. I mean, the only thing I did different was cut the bar, and that was it. And I love this turner, and now it works perfectly for my needs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep watching till the end to see how it works out, and subscribe to this channel, turn on your bell notifications, and check out our group, Tumblr Universe, if you are on Facebook. Have a great day.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click the bell button and subscribe.